Hello, everybody. Welcome and thank you for joining us again for another launch of a new development on which we feel it is a good investment. This one is called Calico Court. It is situated in Somerset West. We are particularly interested in this development because of the price points, the area, the rental demand within that area, the lack of stock in the area, and at the end, the cash flow that this property can provide, although it being brand new as well. Usually, with new developments and a higher interest rate that we still have, usually they are cash flow negative. In other words, they have shortfalls, but this one can provide you some cash flow. So let's have a look at what this development will offer you. Affordable price points starting from 995. Most of the units are 1 million, 1.1 million, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The 1.35 million units are 2 3-bedroom units. So that is not what we would be interested in. The second thing is the low area stock. There's only one other sectional title or apartment block in this area. It's an old block. It's been there many, many years. There's never anything to rent. It's a couple of units for sale, but it is older and obviously lower priced. But the area itself provides a strong rental demand due to the position and the affordable price bracket that it is in. So let's look at the market analysis to ensure that it is a good investment. It is situated in Somerset West, firstly in the Van der Stel suburb on School Street. You will notice on the next slide why it is called School Street. From here, the aerial view where the red arrow is, that is where the development is. To the left, the open fields there are the sport fields of Hottentots Holland. That red roof area there is the building itself, and that is why it creates demand for families. Children can walk to school or even from school, so the position is perfect. Furthermore, in terms of traveling, you have a train station around the corner. You are on the N2 highway, which allows for public transport. This road running here is the main road running into Strand. So it takes you up to the Vergelegen Mediclinic, for instance, and also down this way to other industrial and commercial areas where people can work. So that gives you the demand in the area. And down this road also is the beach. So it's not too far from there as well. So very important. People can walk to work if they need to, because it is close enough to areas that provide employment. In terms of area competition for rental, if you look further away from this area is a development called Somerset Lakes. This is actually an area which is for retirement. So none of that is actually competition for this development here, because they're in the higher end, starting from 11,500 Rand rental per month upwards, where the rental of these units will be around 9 or 10,000 Rand. So the area itself lends this development to a strong rental demand and growth. So those are just some of the schools that's in the area. Hottentots Holland is the one down the road, but you also have private schools in this area. Healthcare facilities, I've already pointed out the Mediclinic that's there. You have a Care for You and 6 other facilities as well. Transport, the train station is very important, and then public transport on the main road between Strand and Somerset West, as well as on the M2. Furthermore, you also have a lot of cricket and rugby clubs around the area for recreational purposes. Wine farms, being the Western Cape, are also close from here, and then other facilities for children as well. Shopping, very important. The big one there is the Somerset Mall, very well known. It's a regional shopping center going into Somerset West. Across the road is the Vergelegen Plain Shopping Center, Somerset Square, for instance, as well. So there's many options for people to shop. So the development itself consists of 61 apartments, of which 58 of them are the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So there's only one 2-bed, 2-bath apartment, and then 2 3-bedroom apartments. To give you an overview of what it will consist of, it is a very a nicely designed security complex that should provide peaceful living and also high investment returns. It is situated in the Helderberg. This is the area where we are as well, Somerset West Strand, Gordons Bay area. So it is very well located in the Helderberg. The residents will have easy access to the major roads, which I've pointed out, hospitals and schools, as well as shopping facilities. And these apartments will be on ground floor, first floor, second and third floor. Also, pool and braai facilities and children play areas will be available in this complex. You will see it shortly on this site plan. And then, very important, security in South Africa. So this will be a gated complex with electric fencing and surveillance around it as well. So if we can have a look at the site plan, this is the ground floor apartments. And to the right, there you have the pool, braai, and children's play areas. So you will have an entrance on this side with parking there, and exit on that side, all on School Street. If you look at the upper floors, you will notice some apartments on that row and other apartments this way. They are all 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This is a closer look at the floor plan of the apartment itself. So you will have a U-shaped kitchen, which is very nice. You will have a lot of countertop space to prepare food, but also with an open plan design, living and dining area, and then opening onto a balcony with a sliding door. This is your 1-bathroom and your 2 bedrooms situated there. So the development itself is in a prime location with a strong rental demand area and close to transport routes and also close to employment, which obviously creates the rental demand. It will be quality construction with a modern design with energy efficient features. You will have 24/7 access control, CCTV security, as well as secure parking. Doors and windows will be made from white aluminium, which is very important because we are close to the sea. This will last a lot longer. The perimeter walls will be palisade infill as well as electric security fencing on top. The facilities, pool and braai facilities, fiber and DSTV ready, prepaid services, and then also this complex will be pet friendly. This is very, very important. There is a shortage of pet friendly complexes in the Western Cape, so this will create stronger rental demand for this complex. The apartment features are as follow: 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The modern open plan layout with a dining room, kitchen area also opening onto the balcony. Most units are around the 56 square meter size. The kitchen tops are made from granite, which is also important in terms of longevity. If you go cheaper, you will have to put in the Formica pressed wood type tops, and that gets damaged a lot quicker, especially by water in the kitchen. So this is a very good feature in the kitchen. It does have your oven and hob. Flooring will be tiled right through. Ceramic tiles will be used, and also with a wood look. All bedrooms comes with built-in cupboards, and they will also install a security gate at the front door of each apartment. So these are a few photos on the right hand side. This is School Street, running down to some shopping down that side, and you have the train station just to the left. That is just an aerial view, gives you a better idea of what it looks like. This is a ground floor apartment. The gardens will be enclosed, which allows you to have pets. The bathroom, and just the floor plan from above. Your U-shaped kitchen there, open plan living to your balcony, bathroom, and your 2 bedrooms to the side. Let's look at the numbers. First of all, ground floor, first floor, second and third floor apartments, different price points, but you will notice that your return on investment, your rental return, is above 9% and at the lower price points above 10%. starting from about 1.2 million right down to 995,000. This allows you to get into the market at a very low price point. As always, I work on the 20% deposit, so we are applying for an 80% bond. Once again, if you do apply for a 100% bond, you will have a bigger shortfall. But once again, being at a high rent return as we have on this property, your break even will be very quickly, and also the fact that the Western Cape rent escalate at 10% per year. So this will allow you to break even very quickly, and at that point in time, that is where we will refinance. We need to refinance at the right time, and when we can refinance a lot quicker, we can grow our portfolio quicker in a shorter period of time. We can double up our portfolio, and in this area, we expect the rental growth, the capital growth to be around 8%. In your premium areas, your capital growth will be 10-12%, but in the affordable market sector, we expect it to be around 8%. It could outperform this, but we will be looking at 8% at this point in time. So from day one, if you buy the apartments from the second floor upwards, you will make profits from day one if you put down the 20% deposit. If you look at the 1.2 million and 1.1 million rand price point, your shortfall is only 157 or 153 rand per month, which is also very affordable. So you will make profit from year 2 with the 10% rent escalation. One very important factor that I want to point out, I've not included the rental agent's cost, because some clients do their own rental. Other people pay rental agents 10% per month or 12% per month. Our rental cost is only 7.9% per month, but even if we add it there, it might push these positive cash flow numbers into a negative. But with a 10% rent escalation, you will make profit in year 2 already. So at that point in time, you will have around 200,000 Rand to refinance. So we can refinance if there is enough capital in the property, but you will definitely make profit with these rental returns. And that is why we feel this is something to add to your portfolio. It will become a provider type property for us a lot quicker. In other words, property that provides profit. But being brand new, it will fall within the Section 13 tax claim that we can do. So that is another advantage with this, although it being a provider type property. We will refinance it a few times and we will be able to take out a lot of money from it, or we can just hold on to it and allow the cash flow of these properties to help carry other shortfalls. So what are the investor benefits of this development? It is in a high rent demand area, which is very important. It will provide you with no or low vacancy. In Gauteng currently we have problems placing people, take 60 to 90 days to fill up units. In the Western Cape, that is not the case. In an area like this, which is affordable, your vacancy should be very close to zero year on year. It is perfectly positioned, as you have seen. Schools, shopping and employment is very close by. That creates rent demand, and once again, low vacancy. There's no stock in the area. Currently there's nothing to rent. Whatever is available to rent is far from here, and also at a much higher price bracket. So being in a limited stock area creates rent demand again. The affordable price bracket, once again, strong rental demand. The lower the price point, the stronger the demand. Being pet friendly, big problem in South Africa and the Western Cape. If you can have pets, people flock to the development. The rent return is very high, above 9% and above 10%, so that will provide you with positive cash flow. And then being brand new, it allows you for the tax deduction claim as well under Section 13. from SARS, and that will allow you to make other profits tax-free as well. So this is why we feel it is something to add to your portfolio. So please let me know if you are interested in this. My email address is Emile, E-M-I-L-E, @destinataproperties.com. You can also send an email to services@wealthmastersclub, and they will .com, and they will send me your inquiry from there as well. You can also either phone me on 074 599 0510, or even send me a WhatsApp message with your email address, and I can forward the full details to you. So please let me know. There is not a lot of stock available, being a small development of only 61 apartments. My number again, 074 599 0510. Thank you for joining us. Hope you will have a great day. Thank you. Bye.